How to remove people from a Slack workspace. So to start, we'll just have to open our account. So in here, before we remove people, what we need to do is to select the channel where we want to remove people. So as an example, I'm gonna select this channel, Journals 101. So in here, what we need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen, and then in here, we'll have to type /remove and then space. After that, type and then select the account or the people that you want to remove. After that, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on the send icon. So in here, you will now be asked if you really want to remove that account or people. What you need to do is to simply tap on this remove option. After that, that account will be automatically removed. If we tap on the channel's name and then in here tap on members, as you can see here, I now only have 2 members. So that's how easy we can remove people from a Slack workspace. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!